guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, so FinalBout is coming up and my FC has seen better days. You can tell because how mad Mochi is at me right now. Some guy got phased and hit the brakes on me, so I had to go off track so I wouldn't hit him. And this happened. So that shit's trashed. Car looks like shit. It has no side skirts. The bumper got hit pretty bad, so it's worse than before. You see that gap? It's like pretty badly. Dang, that helped a lot. But you see out here, it's all like, oh shitty. So I have to go pick up a new kit for the car. So I have to go meet him up right now at his house and pick up the side skirts, the side skirt splitters, the new front bumper. The fuse is still holding like a champ, surprisingly. But then I have to find the side marker. That shit disappeared. I don't know where the hell it went, so I have to get that and get it all painted before the event. On top of that, I did a really stupid mistake the other day. I basically didn't check before I went to drive the car, and I don't know if it was me or who it was, but the hood was not closed. So, original windshield was done. To replace it, I'm gonna get my friend Otis to do it, and later I have to get that little thing and that one over fixed. Not a big deal. The hood still looks good. You see, it's not broken or nothing. It's still like in really good condition. But it was probably just someone just like literally just laid the hood like this and didn't actually press down on it, because this thing has never opened on me in like the 2 years that I had it. So it was just like a simple mistake. But get a windshield, get the body kit, get it painted, change the oil, get spark plugs and tires, and that's about it, and then go to the event. But I want to make it look nice after this event because this thing's been through hell with me, so I want to give it the love that it deserves. I'm gonna start off with the paint. I'm gonna get a new paint job because this panel just keeps getting worse and worse and worse, so I gotta get all that shit taken out of there. Look at that. That horse hair?
I don't know what this is, son. It's that Home Depot fucking Long Beach Black Girl weed. I just got half of it.
Alright, so Otis is here today to replace my windshield. I'm an idiot and broke it. So we're gonna take it out, put the new one in for free because I'm sponsored by him now.
Oh yeah, nah, that ain't happening. Trick is no. With that shit, it'll just hold 100% shit. So look, we got to put it in. So straight down out like this, hold it like that. No. If you can, I got it now. I'm more scared of the drive. You got me working on the side of the goddamn street.
It's only where I got hit at twice. There you go. Yeah, there you go. You're smart.
Don't make me fucking drop the fucking primer, man.
What's up, pizza getting here? That's why I only have one pizza.
They use all the material. They use all the material. Like Gary, see that's what happened.
The other one's this much. I was like, nah, I'll take one.
Yeah, we made one big ass seat for Gary. It's the size of a love seat, so pretty much everyone else is fucked.
It's a fucking couch.
Oh man, you're catching all this on video. It's not good. I'm just trying not to drop it. Like an oil pan. Yeah, you put this shit on your oil pan, you'll never get it off. It's just like worse than the rice stuff. Damn, boy, you grip it right on the side of the street. I see how it is. Gary get views right now. He get me shit. That's the one I want too.
Yeah, the blue one?
The one off the back.
Oh, the one with the back. You don't want those. There's fish on right here. He pulls them really far on the stomach area.
I was,
and the neck, he puts the neck.
I was gonna use that. I was gonna use that as a car cover for my S15. I don't really trust that cup. My legs. Go right onto that seat.
Final bout, prepping continues. So this little thing happened right here, so I have to cut all this down in the other side too. You can see it's kind of far in there, and weld it up so I can have tires mounted on these, so I don't have to worry about them leaking anymore. Also, something cool just showed up that I have to put inside before someone takes it. I had a meeting a while back with Falcon Tire, and they were cool enough, basically like pretty sick, to end up sponsoring me to go driving for some events. And today I got the first shipment of tires, and you can see they hooked it up. So now I got good tires to drive at the event, so I can actually be pretty fast, because I usually just drive with the all season. The car is really fast, but with the Cines, this thing should fly. And yesterday I didn't get a video of it finished, but the brand new windshield's on, came out perfect just in time before the rain, and I got the body kit already on the car too. So the car is super fresh. Just gotta just gotta finish welding the wheels, get race gas, change the plug, change the oil, and load it up and go to the track and go have some fun this weekend. I've always ran the 16K pluses in the front, and I tried it one time in the rear and I broke my diff because I was on a non-turbo diff, so I mean that was kind of dumb. So now that I'm on a turbo diff, I actually went ahead and I'm gonna go back to the Falcons. These things are super grippy, which is really cool, so you can go really fast. But I'm trying out something different, so I just run 225/40 18s, but for one lap, or how many laps I can get out of them, I'm gonna run 235s. So I finally have a set of wheels I can actually run 235s on, because they're different offsets, so it actually fits right. So I'm gonna try those out, see how it changes the car, the grip that it has and everything. I'm mostly gonna try them out towards the end of the day, just because I'm scared it might break something because it's a big tire. But I still have two more showing up that were really hard to get, because everyone runs on their car, which are the 215/40 17s. Those are coming in tomorrow, and I can go to Andy's tires and get all these mounted, because I only trust Andy to take care of my wheels. Everyone fucks him up. To fix this, what you have to do is actually you have to drill a hole at the end of the crack, which is right here. You have to drill a hole right through. That way when you're welding, it doesn't keep cracking. So I have to drill a hole and then kind of slot this like a V shape all the way around, and the other side too, and then weld it. That way actually works the best. This part I never welded before. I welded somewhere else, which might be the other wheel, but these wheels I bought them because they were cracked, so I already fixed one of them and it held up really nicely. So this is just from going off track, so it's an easy fix. Things gotta have a welder. If not, it'll be kind of expensive. So he's gonna fix this one, and I have to fix a T7R, and that should be it. Alright, so now that's drilled, I just gotta start cutting this out and prep it real good, because it has all this shit on it, and then weld it. Alright, so now while that one cools down, so I can clean it up, I have to fix this one. That it broke on an old fix that someone did. You see, it's really chunky, and it broke right through the middle, all the way through here. So I have to do the same thing I did with the other wheel, but extra because this one's chrome plated. Alright, so these things are welded. I just gotta wait for them to cool down because they're super hot. So I can just grind down a little bit in here. That way the bead's not affected by the weld, because if not, it won't seal right. But they're super hot right now, so I wouldn't even want to touch it, because when you're cutting metal, it's already hot from being cut. So if it lands on you, it can burn. When it's welded and you cut it, it's boiling, so it can get pretty messed up. And trust me, I got a lot of shit in my eyes from grinding. So I want to wait till it's to cool down so I can make sure I don't get hurt before the event. Alright, as you can see, fix. I grind it down, and I basically I sanded it down with the Dobro. That way it's super smooth so the tire doesn't catch on it. And on the other wheel as well. So these are ready to go. Just gotta go to Andy's tomorrow and get the tires mounted. Running a little late, but I have to load up these tires to go meet up Andy after the dyno, because I gotta finish putting the FC together.